Tencent in China, or as the world knows it, Tencent, is the proud owner and operator of Tencent QQ and WeChat messaging services. They actually made an e-ink smartphone that you see right in front of you. This is the Tencent SC803 smartphone that is running an e-ink screen. It has 2 gigs of RAM and 16 GB of onboard storage. It also comes in a very strange accordion-style box that is quite easy to open and unbox, so let's get to it. Here's the box. It does not come sealed in any capacity. If you open it up this way, there's nothing. If you open it up this way, it starts to display things like a book might. And you can actually pull this out a little bit further. If you use Google Translate on this, it'll tell you what everything does, but for the most part, this is an unboxing video, so we're not going to focus on that too much, but you can see from here you have QQ, Tencent QQ, and WeChat integrated on it, because that's basically what the draw is for this phone / mini e-reader. So we are, of course, going to dive into this a little bit more in the review and find out exactly how it all works, turn it on, and maybe put one of those strange SIM cards in here to see what happens. So you do have a micro SD and a nano SIM on the left, but we're going to look at the device at the very end. For now, you have a warranty guide. The user manual kind of serves as the little accordion part here. You also have a SIM removal tool. We're not going to mess with that in case we have to give this away. And you have a USB-C cable at the bottom here. You also have your matching IMEI, so hold on to that if you have any concerns. There's nothing else in the box. That's just a little tray, and there's a little ribbon here so you can easily pull the device out. Now for the unit itself. We're going to keep this all very nice because we will be doing a giveaway on this. I guarantee it. Why that is because we feel that we really can't sell this, nor will we sell this, so we will be giving this away to one lucky person. And it looks like this was obviously a review sample they sent us, so there was already a silicone case that came on the back, which I guess we'll give away as well. The back is a very Amazon Kindle-esque kind of hard rubber. It's very, very evident of that. We also have the SIM / nano SIM / SD card on the left, and I realized that after only 1 second we could easily show you what it is indeed. However, it's not good news. It looks like it is a SIM card or a micro SD. It is not a hybrid SIM, meaning you can't put both in there because then it won't touch the copper contact, therefore it won't function. You also have volume up and down and a power button, and on the bottom you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a mouthpiece, and a USB, and you have the earpiece up top as well. So this is indeed, as we suspected, a telephone, an actual cell phone. It's not like an ink palm where it looks like a cell phone, looks like a smartphone, but it isn't because it's just a mini e-reader. We're going to do a first time boot up just to show you, just to maybe peek to see if it has an English option on it. That would most definitely help and really assist us as reviewers to see if we can figure this out to a deeper level without hovering Google Lens over it for every single thing we do. After briefly looking through it, it doesn't look like there's any English right out of the box, but we do see a lot of things written in English, like Kindle, we have Internet Explorer, the glow light is really nice, and it has speed modes, as well as about 65 plus developer options. So this is a very interesting piece no matter what. We will review it all the same. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the Tencent SC803 smartphone running an e-paper screen by the makers that brought you WeChat, which is, if you don't know, the Chinese equivalent of, say, WhatsApp. For more amazing reviews, go to youtube.com/goodereader, where you are right now, and hit up the description down below or the end roll to see some amazing videos coming your way. For goodereader.com, this is Peter.